Hi guys, I'm at the laundromat at IPSO. After seeing it on the internet, seeing what the conditions are like, I've come down to see what the conditions are like for myself. Sadly, they look exactly like they did in the pictures. So I'm using one of the IPSOs at the moment. So to coat a few things that missed last week's wash. As you can see, some of the doors are a bit green and ancient, but it seems to be working, so that's okay. But I just wonder what will come out when it's finished. It's going to spin in a moment, probably not this turn. Now, which I'll show you other machines while I've got a chance. So the one I'm using is in use now. That one looks like it's got a crack in the clock. That one has been vandalised. That looks like that's been vandalised as well, or broken. And I don't know if you heard the buzzing earlier. It was that one that was very loud and buzzing. That one's quieter. This one, it's interesting, that's the only one that's grey and white, so I'm going to use that in a moment, hopefully. And there's a Maytag there, which looks like it's not working neither. So, for some reason they're telling you not, it says do not use. Oh dear, there's some dirt in there as well. You heard that noise earlier. Something in that one, I think there's a stone. That's dirty. So, to be honest, I think the laundromat needs a bit of an update. Some new machines at some point. But these IPSOs have been going since the 1980s. So, what do you expect? But these machines are a bargain. £3 per wash. Not bad. So, keep using these while I can. And mainly just show you guys what's in here. I used to go past this laundromat as a kid regularly, but I've rarely ever got to come here. So, I'll make the most of it now. So it's on its final spin now. I don't know if I mentioned it earlier, but there's green on the door. But it's working. seems to keep spinning for a few minutes on the final spin compared to the intent spin. I do like these IPSO washing machines because I saw these regularly within my childhood. And there's the other laundrette up the road which I used to go to regularly. That's why I hardly ever came to this one. But from what I've read on the internet, this one's up for sale at the moment, so I thought I'd try and make the best of it and come and visit while I still can and while there's time. And mainly just create some memories of this place in case it does get turned into something else or is refurbished or whatever. And mainly show you guys what's here. Seems to have spun for about 3 or 4 minutes. Not bad. Well, it doesn't seem to ramp up faster speed like my washer at home. Just stays at that speed. Yeah. I wonder how fast these IPSO washers spin. Sounds like it's slowed down now, but it sounded like 600. Or it could have been 800. I haven't got a clue. Now it's doing the anti-tangle. I think it's finished, so I'll cut recording and I'll let you know in a minute what the results are.